into it. All right, so Tequichain or Tequichain, I don't know exactly how you say that. If you guys got any ideas, make sure you comment down below. A secure anti-ASIC FPGA, proof of work cryptocurrency, empowers CPU miners and challenge ASIC dominance with tech. I'm gonna guess on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being a kind of a shadier project, 10 being a home run type project. I'm gonna rate this one on maybe right around a 3. There's not much information on this. Discord link is broken. I don't fool around with Telegram, and it's a pretty new coin, so just take that into consideration if you do decide to go ahead and mine this coin. Tech is a level 1 blockchain cryptocurrency prioritizing CPU mining. All you CPU miners out there may like that. For wider participation and decentralization, powered by the ghostrider algorithm, Tech aims to create a fair and inclusive ecosystem, challenging Bitcoin's centralization in mining and exchanges. Not sure it's really going to be challenging Bitcoin anytime soon, but it's neither here nor there. Driven by a community-focused governance model, Tech seeks genuine adoption through grassroots support rather than centralized efforts. Its vision, to be more than just listed on exchanges, but embody true decentralization and fairness in the world of cryptocurrencies. Join Tech in its journey towards a more accessible, equitable future for all participants. Coin information, 21 billion Tech. You guys know I like a lower coin supply. 21 billion is a bit high for me. I like it to be anywhere from maybe 200 to 500 million range, but again, that's just my own personal preference. Collateral, 600,000 Tech. I'm guessing it's going to be for the master nodes or smart nodes as they call them now. Block time 150 seconds. Rewards 5,000 Tech. And again, Ghostrider is algorithm. So this is how it's divvied up. Devs get about 10%. Smart node 40, miners get 50. I'm not sure about any kind of pre-mine on this coin. I'm kind of assuming there is. I haven't really dived too deep into their Explorer, but maybe you guys want to go ahead and do that. Again, as usual, everything I'm talking about in this video will be down below. Here's the wallets. We'll get to that in a second. No partners as of right now. Here's their roadmap. Idea generation, March 2024. April. Of course, here recently, deployed full network after several tests. Of course, they're going to be exchanges in Q2. I think they're going to be looking for that pretty soon here. Q3 2024, the ecosystem, private and official release of P2P marketplace, issuing online wallets. And Q4, the end of this year, investment, create a white paper, which they probably should have done that initially. Have a white paper, the first thing. Investigation of blockchain tech, assemble core team and advisors, creation of foundation and structure. So this looks like it's a kind of a bootstrap thing together, grassroots. Somebody's just coming up with this project and looking for people out there in the community to go ahead and join in and help out with the project going forward. All right, so of course, how do we mine it? We scroll back up here, gonna be the Windows wallet. If you have a Linux, you can use that right there. And then of course, they have their link to their GitHub where they tell you all about the back end of the programs and all that kind of a thing. But again, Windows wallet is what I'm gonna be using. I downloaded that, put it on my NVIDIA rig, put it in its own folder. It's going to be Tequichain right there. And you just go ahead and click on Tequichain QT. It'll go ahead and pop up and install pretty quickly. Once it does, it's going to be looking just like this. My headers have not synced. Again, it hasn't synced with the blockchain. I don't know how long that's supposed to take. I've only been mining this coin maybe a couple of hours right now. But again, maybe I'll close this wallet, open it back up, and we'll see if it gets any farther than 18.3%. All right, so receive, you're gonna need that for your wallet address. I just label my mining like I normally do. You go ahead and click request payment, and you get a little pop-up like this. Just go ahead and copy the address. Your wallet address is going to be right there down below. Just click copy and you'll be good to go for the miner. So that's the wallet portion of Tequichain. Speaking of miners, I'm using the good old SRB miner again. It's a multi-miner where you can use AMD, NVIDIA, Intel, etc. I'm using this course for my CPU on that machine. Just go ahead and click download, put it on your machine. I'll show you guys where I put mine, if I can find that actual folder. Miner's right here, and there's the latest version. I went ahead and called mine SRB miner Tequichain. Just go right into there. I have a bat file for this down below, so you guys can just go ahead and copy that and get up and going mining quickly. I'll show you that wallet, or I'll show you that actual bat file real quick. The only thing you're going to go ahead and need to change is your wallet address right here, which of course we just got from the actual wallet. .NVIDIA rig identifier. You guys can leave that blank. I just like to see myself on a pool. The only actual pool that I see right now is rplant. It's not even showing up on mining pool streams just yet. We'll go ahead and show you that. It's going to be right here. You go ahead and click on, if you go ahead and click on a homepage of this and you go ahead and click on new coins right there. It'll usually pop up the latest coins, and as you can see, there's no Tequichain right there. But in any event, just go ahead and change that bat file. We can call it whatever you want. I called mine Tequichain. Just make sure it's a .bat or it will not work. And once you do that and set up ready to go, just go ahead and double click on it. The miner is going to go ahead and pull up, and it's going to be looking just like this. Of course, there's ghostrider, CPU, and I got about 196 hashes right now. Again, I don't have a huge CPU on this computer, but it does the job. So we're gonna head over to the actual pools. This is our plant right here. And as you can see, I got about 9 tech balance so far. Let me go ahead and hit refresh, see if I got a little bit more. As you can see, I've only been mining this coin maybe 2 to 3 hours right now. And it looks like I'm sitting about 19 paids, 12 in the balance. So who knows how much that's gonna be when it actually hits an exchange. So for right now, our plant's the only pool I could find. So I guess if you want to go ahead and mine this coin, you're going to have to use our plant. You can look at the network hash rate. It pretty much lines up with the actual pool hash rate. So it looks like our plant pool, at least as of making this video, is the only pool that you can use to go ahead and mine Tequichain. So speaking of actual price of this coin, if you go over to here, the only closest one I could find was Beam, which is a gaming type token here. And it's got a max supply of 62 billion. So Tequichain's got 21 billion, a little bit lower than this. Beam, of course, is a lot more well-known, a lot more popular, established. It's on multiple exchanges, and it's sitting at about 2 cents. So my guess for this coin, when it does actually hit an exchange, is probably going to be right around 0.005, maybe even 0.0005 cents when it does actually hit an exchange at some point. At least that's the price point I'm going to go ahead and give Tequichain when it actually does hit an exchange. But who knows when that's going to be. So again, a highly speculative type project, Tequichain. You know, kind of mine this one at your own will. Make sure you go ahead and do your own research. Not comfortable mining these type of highly speculative coins, then by all means don't go ahead and mine it. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down below and I'll definitely get back to you. Don't forget to like this video, I'd appreciate it. If you guys are interested in another coin to mine that's got a little more establishment than this one, go ahead and check this video out right here.